If you are a coffee lover, then you already know that a good cup of coffee should taste really good and should be well flavored. In this video, we are going to show you how to make AeroPress coffee. The AeroPress is a simple device that consists of a plastic plunger known as the AeroPress chamber, a cap, filters, coffee scoop for measuring, a funnel, and a paddle. As a result, it's convenient to use in your home, office, when traveling, and so on. An engineer and physicist named Alan Adler invented the AeroPress coffee maker in his bid to make coffee making simpler and better brewed. There are two main methods of making an AeroPress coffee, the original method and the inverted method. Here's what you'll need. AeroPress pack. Timer optional. Coffee beans. Water. Kettle. Coffee grinder. Cup or mug. Tablespoon optional. How to brew AeroPress coffee, original method. This method was Alan Adler's initial idea of making coffee using the AeroPress coffee maker. Here, the AeroPress is placed over a cup or mug with the filter side downwards. Brewing method. 1. Boil water to a temperature between 175 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit using your kettle. 2. Using AeroPress scoop, measure about 2 scoops of coffee beans, approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons. 3. Grind coffee beans to a fine texture using the coffee grinder. 4. Place the filter paper inside the filter cap. Run hot water through the filter paper over the mug. This is to wet or rinse the filter paper so it can attach firmly to the cap. It also helps to remove all the paper smell and heat the brewing vessel. Then dispose used water after rinse. 5. Attach the cap to the chamber. Then put the chamber on a cup or mug. 6. Place AeroPress funnel on the chamber and add your ground coffee. Remove the funnel afterward. 7. Pour hot water into the chamber and shake it to level up the coffee. 8. Fill it to the highest mark, number 4, in the AeroPress and shake very well. 9. Stir your coffee with the paddle or stirrer and set your timer, optional. 10. After 1 minute, stir again and place your plunger inside the chamber. Gently but firmly press down the plunger with pressure, until plunger gets to the bottom and oozes out a hissing noise. This signifies that there is no more water in the chamber and the end of the brewing process. 11. Taste coffee and dilute with hot water if it is too concentrated. 12. Remove the filter from the cap and push the plunger to eject used coffee grounds over a garbage can. Then rinse the plunger and entire chamber with warm water. The inverted method. It is a reverse of the original method of making AeroPress coffee. The AeroPress is inversely turned and coffee is immersed in water for a long time depending on the brewer. The taste of the coffee made this way is more concentrated and well flavored than the original method. Brewing method. 1. Boil water to a temperature between 175 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit using your kettle. 2. Measure and grind the coffee beans as earlier described in the original method. Also, rinse the filter paper and mug with boiled water. 3. Place the plunger halfway inside the AeroPress chamber to the number 4 mark and turn it upside down. Do not attach the cap or filter to the chamber. 4. Add your ground coffee through the funnel. 5. Fill the chamber with hot water almost to the brim and stir once using the paddle or stirrer. 6. Keep the chamber erect for some time depending on the concentration of coffee you want to make. 7. Place the filter paper in the cap and attach it firmly to the chamber. 8. Quickly flip back the AeroPress chamber and put it on a cup or mug. 9. Press down the plunger with pressure until plunger gets to the bottom and oozes out a hissing noise. 10. Taste and dilute your coffee with hot water if necessary. And clean the AeroPress after use with warm water. The AeroPress coffee maker can be used to make 2 mugs of coffee. AeroPress coffee can be served alone in its concentrated state or with milk. We hope you found this video helpful. Click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also drop a comment so we can know your thoughts and check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimcoffee.com for more awesome coffee content like this.